Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the notification sounds issue after the iOS 17 update. If your notification sound is not working on your iPhone, this is pretty much most of the things you can do. I'll wrap them up in one video. So the first thing you want to do is, it might sound simple, but just make sure your phone is not on silent, dude. This can happen. So make sure you check that and make sure you do not have low power mode or do not disturb. I have it right now. And also make sure that the sound is on from the system. The next thing you want to do is go on over to your settings. You want to go over to general. You want to click on the second option, software update. You want to make sure your iOS 17.0.3 is up to date, or whatever it is, it's up to date. Let me know in the comment section down below which version do you have right now. And beta updates turn off. Sometimes on some issues you might have issues because you have the beta. The next thing you want to do is go back to your settings, click on notifications right here, and here you have different notifications, right? You want to make sure they're on. And when you click on a specific app, for example, let's say Binance, if you have allow notifications like this, you want to have it on, and you want to have the sound on just like so. So that's what you gotta do. If the video helped you out, just tap the like button. It will really help me out. If you still have the issue, let me know in the comment section down below, and I would love to help you out. See you next one.